I'm Ashwini Navathe. I'm a fairly recent addition to the MHS team. I joined Maritime History Society as an Archives and Collection Associate in March 2020. Generally, after joining any organization, the first few weeks are spent in acclimatizing to the new work culture and people. My first week in MHS was very dramatic and adventurous. I joined on a Monday, and on the Thursday of the same week, we went sailing with none other than Captain Dilip Donde himself, the first Indian solo circumnavigator. Spending a day at sea with the whole team and Captain Dilip Donde initiated me into the world of maritime history like nothing else. Today, 19th May 2020, marks 10 years of the successful completion of Captain Donde's Sagar Parikrama. Sagar Parikrama, or the solar circumnavigation of the Earth, was a dream envisioned by late Vice Admiral M.P. Avati, where an Indian would solo circumnavigate the world in a first. His dream of Sagar Parikrama was to be undertaken in a made-in-India vessel, and that led to country's yet another first. INSV Made, the boat that took Captain Donde around the globe, became a unique sailing vessel that was completely constructed in India. Team MHS commemorates the 10th anniversary of Captain Donde's Sagar Parikrama and congratulates him on his feat. Let's hear the thoughts of Captain Donde as he remembers the legendary feat that he completed 10 years ago.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me congratulate the Maritime History Society on its 42nd anniversary. It also happens to be the 10th anniversary of the completion of my circumnavigation, the Sagar Parikrama. And why both the events are significant is because the common link between the two was Admiral Avati, whose dream it was to foster the maritime history, the research on maritime history in the country, as well as to encourage some Indian to do something which can go in the annals of modern Indian maritime history. In that sense, both the projects were his dream projects, and he was our mentor, and the event cannot be celebrated without remembering him. Since his passing away, Maritime History Society has continued doing the good work that he dreamt of, and I wish Maritime History Society the very best. My other connect with Maritime History Society is that they are the publishers of my book, and when I was not getting any mainstream publisher to publish my book, Maritime History Society was kind enough to volunteer to publish my book. And since then the book has been translated into from English to Marathi and has a wide readership. So once again, good wishes to Maritime History Society, and may they grow from strength to strength. Thank you.
Captain Donde's journey of being the first Indian solo circumnavigator was not an easy task. Our one-day sailing activity on Antara made me realize how tough yet serene it is to be at sea. We were taught the basic 101 of sailing, the structure of a sailboat and its mechanisms one day prior in a workshop. On Antara, we got the practical sailing experience by taking charge of the wheel, pulling the ropes, and doing many other exciting things. We also got an opportunity to interact with Captain Donde and heard his experience firsthand. After hearing Captain Donde speak about his Sagar Parikrama, I realized that the world of ocean has a rich legacy and a lot of opportunities to offer. The oceanic world or the oceanic path shown by Admiral Avati and Dilip sir has made me realize that there are a lot many avenues to explore. I thank MHS for giving me this opportunity to dive into the vastness of the ocean so early in my time here. As we go forward, I understand that there are many more things to learn and many experiences to live. We at MHS hope that despite the lockdown, you guys will stay in touch with us through our online initiatives and digital outreach mediums, and hope to see you in our future events. Stay home, stay safe, and stay connected.